The membrane reactions have two purposes. One is to further oxidize NADH and FADH2 and transfer their energy to ATP, and two is to regenerate NAD+ and FAD to make them available again. The membrane reactions are carried out by a series of compounds called the mitochondrial electron transport chain. Most members of the chain are bound to the inner mitochondrial membrane and are arranged in a precise order that enables each one to receive a pair of electrons from the member on one side and pass them along to the member on the other side. It's like a game of hot potato. By the time the electrons reach the last member in the chain, their energy has been used to make ATP. The process by which electrons are passed is called electron transport. Hydrogen atoms are split apart as they transfer from coenzymes to the chain. The protons are pumped into the intermembrane space, and the electrons travel in pairs along the transport chain. Each electron carrier in the chain becomes reduced when it receives an electron pair and oxidized again when it passes the electrons along to the next carrier. Energy is liberated at each transfer. The final electron acceptor in the chain is oxygen. Each oxygen atom accepts 2 electrons from cytochrome A3 and 2 protons from the mitochondrial matrix. The result is a molecule of water. This is the body's primary source of metabolic water, which is water synthesized in the body rather than ingested in food and drink. This reaction also explains why the body requires oxygen. Without it, this reaction stops, and like a traffic jam, stops all of the other processes leading to it. As a result, a cell produces too little ATP to sustain life, and death happens within a matter of minutes.